and monocot seeds. Okay, now there is a term that is endosperm. Endosperm, it is a nutritious tissue. It is triploid in nature, haploid in monocot, and triploid, that is 3N. N, that makes the 3N. This is the ploidy of endosperm. Now, in some seeds, such as castor, such as castor, the endosperm formed as a result of double fertilization. Of course, double fertilization involves syngamy and triple fusion. Now, syngamy, it is the fertilization, that is fusion of a egg cell and a male gamete, that is diploid, that is the syngamy, that makes the zygote, and then embryo, pro-embryo, heart-shaped embryo, and then the globular embryo. If I'm right, this is the sequence. And triple fusion, what makes the endosperm? It is primary endosperm nucleus, then the primary endosperm cell that contains the endosperm, which is nutritious in nature, which is which provides nutrition to the developing embryo. So this was the endosperm. Now in some seeds such as castor, the endosperm formed as a result of double fertilization, that is triple fusion, is a food storing tissue. It is tissue. It is made up of cells. The cells have nutritions. Okay, these cells have nutritions. Is a food storing tissue and called endospermic cells. So the seeds which have endosperm, these are endospermic seeds. Now, in a plants such as bean, gram, and pea, the endosperm is not present in mature seeds, and such seeds are called non-endospermous. Such seeds are called non-endospermous. So, seeds like castor, the mature seeds have endosperm that retains. Okay, and some plants such as bean, gram, and pea, the mature seeds do not possess the endosperm, and this is why they are non-endospermous seeds. Okay, so bean, pea, and gram, these are the examples of non-endospermous seeds, and endospermous seeds are castor. Okay, now let's talk about, so these was the dicot plants. These are like castor, pea, bean, pea, and gram. Okay, they have the two cotyledons. Okay, now talking about the monocot seed, that is the structure of monocotyledonous seed. Now, generally, monocotyledonous seeds are endospermic. Monocotyledonous seeds are endospermic, but some, as in orchids, these are non-endospermic. So, orchid, which is a monocotyledonous seed, are non-endospermic. The mature seeds do not possess the endosperm, which is a food storing tissue. So it gets used during the embryo formation. So generally, monocotyledonous seeds are endospermic. Okay, they provide nutrition even after the development of embryo. Now, so this was endospermous seeds and non-endospermous seeds. We have talked in monocot as well as dicot plants, right? So these were the type of seeds: endospermous and non-endospermous. Okay, so this was it. Now, in the structure of monocotyledonous seed, we see a structure of monocotyledonous seed. Monocotyledonous seed. Let's see the structure of monocotyledonous seeds. Okay, figure 5.15. It shows a structure of a monocotyledonous seed. On left hand side, it's showing the endosperm. Endosperm is a food storing tissue. And inner to this is the embryo, or near to it is an embryo. You see, cleft like structure in the embryo. Now, the structure of monocotyledonous seed, you see, from outside it is seed coat. Of course, it is a seed that has seed coat and a fruit wall, okay, showing fused together. So seed coat and fruit wall is fused generally in monocot seed, okay, like cereals such as maize. Maize is a monocot seed. Now, inner to this is a aileron layer. Aileron layer is a protein layer. It is a proteinaceous layer, okay, that covers the inner endosperm, which is a food storing tissue. Food storing tissue. So you see the endosperm. So inside the aileron layer is the endosperm. Now, then on the on kind of bottom side is the embryo. Now embryo, you see the embryo. Now embryo has the scutellum. Scutellum, it is as one large one large shield shaped cotyledon is a scutellum. One large shield shaped cotyledon is a scutellum. Now there is coleoptile that covers the plumule, and there is coleorhiza that covers the radicle. So these are the structure of monocot seed. Okay, these are the sheaths. Coleoptile and coleorhiza, these are the sheaths that covers the plumule and radicle. Plumule gives rise to the stem part, and radicle gives rise to the root part. So this was it. Naming is important. You see, seed coat, fruit wall, aileron layer, endosperm, scutellum, coleoptile, plumule, radicle, and coleorhiza. So this was the structure of monocot seed.